Don't scam people. Don't lead people on. All right, y'all. So let's talk about selling digital products as a small creator. I've made over $300 passively with digital products as a small creator with less than 10,000 followers on TikTok and less than 700 followers on Instagram. So let's get into how I did it. Hey y'all, it's your girlie Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how I make money with digital products as a small creator. I'll be showing you guys where I sell, what products, everything. This is episode 7 of my 8-part series, Effortlessly Paid, where I show you how I make money as a small content creator and how you can do it too. If you missed the first couple episodes, make sure you definitely check out my playlist. I go over a whole bunch of things like how I got my first paid brand deal, how I got my first paid UGC brand deal, how I make money with affiliate marketing, how I got free food from restaurants for posting content, literally everything. I'm going through it in this series. I'll link the playlist above if you missed anything. Definitely get caught up after this video. Okay, so I first got started selling digital products on Payhip. That is a website builder that you can use to sell digital products, physical products, courses, anything like that. And it's completely free. If you want more information on that, definitely let me know. I'll make a video, but I love Payhip down. Throughout this video, I'm going to be looking at my computer, but that's just so I can get all the numbers right for y'all. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my computer. So as of today, I have made $289.74 on just Payhip. Okay, so I'm going to go over all of my digital products on Payhip, and I'm going to tell you how much total I've made from that digital product. So I have my vegan macaroni and cheese recipe that has made me $20. I have a faja vendor that has made me $10. I have a beginner affordable makeup guide that has made me $60.99. I have a ultimate vendor list that has made me $10. I have a first slide and UGG vendor that has made me $75. I have a AirPod vendor that has made me $75, and I have a hair vendor that has made me $38.75. So why do I like Payhip over other places? I really like that you can create an entire website, especially if you're somebody like me. I have a service-based business, but I also have digital products that I want to sell. So I don't really have any physical products that I'm selling right now. So I didn't want to pay a monthly membership for a website when I'm only selling digital products. And I also wanted an entire website because I'll show you my next place where I sell products. It's not an actual website. So I really like the fact that you can create an entire website, have your own domain name, and it's completely free. The payouts are super easy. You can use PayPal and you can use Stripe. And it can be a little difficult just learning it if you're used to other website builder sites like Shopify or Wix. But once you get the hang of it, it's very easy to navigate and use. Now, was I getting rich off of this money? No, but it's something. And I made all of this money while doing nothing. All I had to do was create the digital product and it went from there. So I started using Payhip a very long time ago. Before I really got serious about creating content back in the day, this was like 2020 when I launched other businesses that I had a physical product for. I was just finding a bunch of vendors and people used to always ask me, like, I had an AirPod vendor, I had an UGG vendor, like the shoes UGG, and I still have those vendors. They're still for sale. If you want to grab them, they're in the description box. But people used to always ask me, like, how are you getting these products for the low? Like, I would be getting AirPods for like $20. While y'all paying $100. So I started, if people are asking y'all questions, y'all make something. Like when I talked about in my affiliate marketing video, if people are asking you about something, you need to find a way to make money from that. So people kept asking me, so I'm going to create a vendor list. You want to buy this vendor? Okay, $10, it's yours. Go order you some shoes. So once I actually became more serious about creating content, I realized that you just want to make it quicker and easier for people to check out. So that's when I went to Beacons. I used to always see this in people's like their link in their bio, and I always thought you had to pay for this, but it's actually free. So I moved some of my digital products over there, and I also have a couple of digital products that are on my Beacons that aren't on my Payhip, just because it's more related to my content, and I want you to just be able to, like on TikTok, click the link in my bio and just check out smooth, easy. I don't want you to have to press too many buttons because then you might just go back and say forget it. So over on Beacons, I have made a total of $84.09. And once again, I'll go through the products and I'll tell you how much I have made from those. So I have a Veggie Vibes ebook. It's a plant-based starter guide for those that are wanting to transition over to plant-based. I make a lot of vegan content, so this was something that I got asked for a lot. Now, the sales could have been a lot better. I've only made $34.99 from it, but I created the product. It's a very good product and it's there and it will continue to make me money, and all I had to do was create that product that one time. And also I have my vegan macaroni and cheese on there, and that over there has made me $52.50. So as you can see, I have the same product on 2 different platforms, and it's selling on both platforms. People aren't just buying it twice. But as you can see, some people prefer to purchase on one website, some people prefer to purchase on the other. So that's why I like to have them both. So between both platforms, we almost made $400, which I think is very good for something that, like I said, I literally just put in the time up front to make the ebook. And that's it. I might mention it a couple times in the video, but that really that's really no work to me. You know, I'm just mentioning it in the video. So whenever you have some free board downtime, create a digital product. If there's anything that people are asking you about, create a digital product about it. Keep it simple. Make sure your product is helpful. There's nothing more irritating than buying a digital product that does not give you what it actually promised. So don't scam people. Don't lead people on. Make a good digital product, because that will build so much trust with you and that person. You don't know how many digital products I've bought and it was really just a bunch of BS. So if someone buys a digital product from you and they just got so much value for such a good price, whenever you come out with anything that intrigues them, they're not going to hesitate to purchase it, because they know that, hey, I bought this digital product from her about how to make vegan macaroni, and this macaroni was bomb. And she gave me bomb tips. It was straight to the point. It was helpful. It was laid out nice and detailed. You're not going to hesitate when I come out with a cookbook, because you already know that I know how to give information, and it's going to translate into you being able to do what I told you we were going to be able to do. Make a bomb vegan macaroni and cheese recipe. Okay, so here's a couple tips for you as you're making your digital products. If you want a whole website, if you have any other business, definitely use Payhip. I would definitely highly recommend that. Like I said, if you want a video on just how to create a website, different things about Payhip, if you have any questions regarding that, definitely leave them in the comments. I'll reply back to you, and if I need to, I will make an entire video about it. If you're somebody that really doesn't need a whole website, maybe you just have a digital product about some of the simple stuff that you're talking about on TikTok or over on Instagram, then that's when I would say Beacons is your best friend. Definitely hop on there, create your digital products, get the link in your bio all set up so you'll be good to go. When you're making your products, make sure you keep the description clear but also juicy. You want the title to be intriguing, but like I said, we don't want to falsely lead people on. You want to give just enough to where they're like, ooh, I need to know more. You know, like, this was so good. This was just a description, but I'm so intrigued to buy this. I'm so intrigued to know what else you're talking about. So if it's a recipe, describe your recipe. Use very descriptive words. The irresistibly, I think that's what my macaroni and cheese recipe says, the irresistibly cheesy vegan macaroni and cheese. You want it to sound amazing. You want to promote your products in your videos without being salesy. You don't want the product to have nothing to do with the video and you just push it out there. You want to integrate it in a natural way. So for example, if I wanted to promote my vegan macaroni and cheese recipe, I might do a day what I eat in a day, eat it for dinner, and then mention, hey y'all, if y'all want the recipe, the link is in my bio. It's naturally integrated into the video. People are probably already curious because they're eating what I eat in a day. They're curious about what I'm eating in a day. And if it looks good enough and the people that are interested, they're going to go buy it. And my last tip is going to be, don't wait until it's perfect. Just put it out there and you can tweak it later if necessary. So for example, with my affordable beginner makeup guide, I could not, y'all, when I first started this, I want to say it was like 2021, 2022. It was right after the pandemic. I did not know for the life of me how to create this ebook and make it like scroll. Like, you know, when you buy an ebook and everything just flows naturally. With my ebook, literally they had to download every single page, and it's like a good couple. It's like, I want to say it's at least like a 15, if not more, page ebook. So they literally had to download every single page. And I remember somebody asked me about that, and I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna try. Y'all, I did not know how to do it, but they still bought it. They still got the information. Was it a little not user friendly because of that? Yes. But once I figured out how to do it, I just, I updated the file on my Payhip and my Beacons. And then I went and I literally just emailed everybody that had bought the makeup guide. And I was just like, hey, I improved the scrolling so it's a better viewer interaction process. And they were happy. The person that asked, she got it and she was all good to go. Granted, that was probably years later, but because I did not know how to Google, like Google did not know what I meant. I was trying to type it in there, like how to get it to scroll. You know, when you be trying to Google something and you really don't know nothing when you know that Google don't even know what you're talking about. So yeah, don't wait for it to be perfect. Just put it out there. As long as you're not charging the arm and the knee, they're going to buy it and it'll be okay. As long as you fix your mistakes and you get better with time, which if you're taking it serious, you should be getting better over time. You don't need a huge following to make money online. All you need is something helpful, confidence, and a link to go in your bio. Let me know down below if you want a step-by-step on my process of creating digital products, because I do, as you can see, have like a very diverse array of digital products. So let me know down below if you want any help with that. I will see you on my next video. The next video will be the last part of this series. I'm so excited about this series. This series was I really hope y'all found this series helpful. I'm excited just filming this. I'm getting excited for y'all to help y'all. So let me know down below, have y'all been keeping up? How are y'all liking this series? And I will see y'all in the next one.